Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is November 12th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So a stock I'm going to talk about today is AT&T. And this is a stock, if you take a look here at the daily chart, has come down pretty sharply. They did make an acquisition of DirecTV. But all in all, when you look at a stock like this, when you get to around the 3150 level, this is an area where traders can look to buy this equity and simply hold on to it and get paid a dividend. And a lot of times we don't talk about these kind of strategies as traders because we're always looking for the quick moves and the fast moves. But sometimes in the markets may be slowing down, they may go sideways, they may go choppy, they may do a lot of different things, but they may not make the big exponential moves that we're kind of used to. So sometimes when you get a stock like AT&T, you could sit there, hold it, and let it trade up to maybe the high end of its range, which would probably be around $35. But in the meantime, if you have to hold it for an extended period of time, you could collect a dividend, and that might be something that would interest people. So the reason why I bring this up today is because we're in that kind of market right now where we've had these big dramatic moves over the course of 2015, and you can see probably the next few months we're probably going to be range bound or sideways. You have to think that would be the case. So when I look at a stock like AT&T, if it gets down to around the 3150 level, this is where I would become interested in the company. Now I want to show you how I'm coming to I'm deriving that level that we're talking about. And if you just take a look back here at a weekly chart, you'll see that this was the low pivot right around 3175. Then we had the big sell-off, as you all know, in August, and the stock plunged to around 31. So we know that we got a pretty good little safety net at $31 since there was a crash, and that's the lowest point that the stock tested. So what I would do is just kind of average them out a little bit. I look around 3150, maybe 3175. That's where you could probably get into AT&T safely, collect a dividend, wait till it gets up to the $35, $36 range, and you dump the stock for the premium built into the stock price. So again, it's a nice way to be into an equity and not have to really worry too much. Any close below 31, you stop out of the equity, you take your loss. But the reality of it is it shouldn't happen. But if you get it around 3150, 3175, this is an equity that I would look to get into, park some money there, and collect a dividend in the meantime. And if the stock gets up to that 35, 36 range, I'd sell the stock for a nice gain in the price. So again, something to think about. This is just some of the things that we talk about in the intraday stock chat room, something that we also talk about in the research center as part of our No Hype Live broadcast. A lot of questions will be asked during that. That's an open forum where we allow all of the members to come in, ask us questions live about anything going on market related, any stocks that we're in particular, or any stocks that they may be looking to get into themselves, and any particular strategies that you're looking to do. And this is something that I've come across a few times, and if you've been a member, we've played doing this with Verizon and also AT&T several times. And again, I will be looking to get into this around 3175. So again, if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the research center, get all of our nightly setups, you'll get all of our cycle work, as well as all of our No Hype Live broadcasts. Those are just three of the many features that we offer, and much more. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the chart.